Pull up on chair. You're gonna start by facing your chair. Remember, we never step on the wooden panel. We're gonna bring our hands super far forward on the chair. Bring one ball mount of the foot on, press the pedal down. It's pretty heavy, okay? You can do 2 medium to 2 heavy springs. The heavier you go, the more assist it'll give your client to pull the carriage up or pull the pedal up. Inhale here. Exhale, round into your cat spine. Avoid pulling back. You want to be far, far forward in your protraction. Inhale. Exhale, pull that pedal up. Abdominals are working super hard. Exhale. Good. Finding your belly. Last 3. Final 2. 1 more. Press the pedal down. From here, you bring 1 foot at a time. Hands stay on. The client will catapult if they let go. The carriage and pedal is super heavy. Walk the hands back to the edge, slowly return. And that is our pull up on chair.